Okay, Smith machine squat. We're going to make this one more focused for the quads. So for this one, as she gets underneath the bar, her foot position, rather than be forward, it's going to be very much underneath the bar. Now, we're going to focus with the stance, it being on a little bit narrower, but not too narrow that she doesn't feel stable. So she's going to find her own comfortable position, which is there, as you can see, about hip width. Now, on the way down on this one, rather than allow the butt to push back, as you can see, her butt's going straight down, and the movement itself is coming directly from knee bend. Come back up. Now, before she goes down, main thought process is going to be keep her abs nice and tight and just create as much tension around the glutes, hamstrings and quads as she possibly can. As she sinks down, her internal thought process then shifts to pushing from her heel, initiating from that quad, and then pushing right back up. Big point on this, drop back down again, is as she comes up, as you start to fatigue, what you might find is your butt wants to push back, and there's a lot of tension here in our lower back. So we want to try and make sure that this stays nice and tight as she then pushes back up. So there you have it, your knee flexion dominant Smith squat.